It's a partly cloudy day. We made some modifications, putting some straw down to go over some puddles. So I think we're really good for the walking tour today. And now we have our Army vet and the person responsible for the coffee today, Joe Lewis of the Matt Anthony Wing Coffee Company, and he wants to say a few words. So Joe.
As you said, thank you for the introduction. My name's Joe. We have Matt Anthony Wing Coffee here. A lot of things right now are going on where people are trying to erase history, and we are a veteran-owned company and we're trying to embrace it. So all our coffee is named after specific people, places, or events from the Revolutionary War time period. And they're all significantly tied to General Wayne. And that's why we partnered with the Paoli battlefield. We also have a cafe that you're more than welcome to stop by. We'd love to see you. It's located in Wayne in the train station. We have handmade authentic gelato. We showcase our coffees there as well as pastries and other things like that. Enjoy the tour, guys.
My name is Lorna Hainsworth, and I am an ambassador and national traveler. I live in Maryland, and I have been looking into the various different Revolutionary War sites that are fairly close to where I live, given the fact that there were no Revolutionary War battles in Maryland. So I have to go out of state if I want to learn about them and go to the battlefields and that sort of thing. So this is not that far from where I live. It's about 2.5-hour drive to get up here. And I've gotten to know the people that are associated with the battlefield, and clearly this is an organization where, you know, their heart is in it, and it has given me pleasure to have eventually become a supporter of this, to preserve the battlefield, the Paoli Battlefield Preservation organization and friends and that sort of thing. So I just feel that it's just sort of become a part of me. It's just something that I feel close to.
Lorna has agreed to help us out with a project here at the battlefield, and that involves funding, and we're very fortunate to have met and known her. I've known her for a few years from the Washington, D.C. Roundtable. So she's come all the way up here from Virginia and Maryland to do it. But she has agreed to give us money to help fund a project that we're going to do to put either QR codes or pins as people walk by. A video will come up and tell them about what's happened here at the battlefield. So it's very good, and we want to give you this certificate as a thank you, for us for all that you've done.
Okay. Thank you.
Huzzah! That was like we get huzzah! Huzzah!
And also, we want to give you this leather portfolio.
Ah, wow.
It has our logo on the front,
deal.
so we want to give you that too as a thank you. So thank you so much.
Huzzah! That was like we get huzzah!
Fred is also here. He's our videographer, and he's going to do the videos in conjunction with us to put around the battlefield. So hopefully in the next few years, all that'll be up and running. We asked the borough to actually get Wi-Fi out here.